What's the meaning of conductance? Conductance. Conductance.
Conductance. Conductance. Conductance refers to the ability of a material or substance to conduct electric current. It is the inverse of resistance and is measured in Siemens, s. The higher the conductance of a material, the easier it is for electricity to flow through it. Materials such as metals tend to have high conductance due to their free electrons, while insulators have low conductance. Conductance is an important concept in electrical engineering and is used in the design and analysis of electrical circuits and devices. It can also be used to measure the quality of solutions in chemistry.